Okay, so let us start by introducing ourselves. In there, please introduce yourself.
Hi Arithro, how are you?
Fine, fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm good. Hello everyone. I'm in there working on a project, Learning Machine. It's a robot teacher. It's going to help a lot of students to get educated more, like in best way, like in easily educated. So this is the project, and I would like to. That's it for my intro. For my introduction, I would like to say one thing for Swiggy Pops. It's actually now totally closed, and Swiggy booked so many loss for this Swiggy Pops. They were get too much in loss because they were providing just with a membership Swiggy Pops, and then they were delivering so many orders. So it's closed now. It's like it's closed before 1 year. Swiggy Pops. Yeah.
Okay, Priya, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, this is Priya Gupta. I'm. Hello, everyone listening me?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. I have a startup known as Bano, which is managed and organized, and we manage events and advertisements. Yeah.
Great.
Hi. Yeah.
Okay, Anshu, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone.
Can I know how many
This
people
is
are
Anshu
there?
Chaudhary.
Because I'm not able to see here.
4 people are here.
4 people.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, so I'm starting with my intro. Uh, this is Anshu Chaudhary from Kolkata, and actually I'm the hygiene auditor from a company well known as Equinox Labs, and its headquarters is in Mumbai. And along with that, I'm working with a startup, and it's a consultancy services where I'm preparing and I'm allowing to apply all the trade license, fire license, whichever license is required to build a business or in an industry, in food or in leather, in whatever industry they want to.
Okay, so let me introduce myself. Myself, Aditya Mukherjee. I am from Kolkata, and right now I am studying BBA at Entrepreneurship from Eilish College. And in future, I want to start my own company. Thank you. Okay, in there, what kind of project are you working on? Can you explain in detail?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Actually, it's a
Um,
robot.
Yeah,
Its
I know about
name.
him. I know about him. I have just so. Can I in the
Yeah, sure.
yeah,
I'll happily
I
if
will do
you.
good advertisement of your company. That's why I just want to tell you about your company that it is a learning machine
Definitely.
actually. Yeah, it is a
Yeah.
machine actually. It is very exciting for me. Like there are many. Correct me in the way if I am wrong. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah,
Definitely.
the
Yeah.
learning machine which will be helpful for upcoming students that if they will be free, then the learning machine will do the work. That there is artificial intelligence over there. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
might be in future they would be getting addicted for that because the students are usually being free, and the learning machine will detect that if they are free, then they it's a like a learning parrot, you can say
Yeah.
like that only. And there
Yeah.
are many compositions of the studies material. And because the students nowadays are not very much curious about their studies, and that the learning machine will make the student curious about the studies. Like they will like the learning machine will throw out uh, give give the embark of the knowledge in within a seconds also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the let's
Yeah.
say, right.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Wow. You are. Yeah. You are good. Like you know so many things.
actually a good teacher. I'm a good teacher. Actually, with Vishal Bhaiya and all, I was also participating over there in for pitching my startup. And earlier
Yeah.
I was into earlier actually I was into mm, waste management startup. There I pitched over there in IIT Kharagpur. We have a long means like long bonding, long networking.
Okay.
In 2017, I
Great.
think Vishal Bhaiya is not here, na?
No,
Yeah,
no,
he's
he's
not.
not here.
Yeah, he's not now here. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's why I'm a good teacher. And actually, eventually, usually from 2017 only, I started my own journey of pitching everything.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah, pitching my startup, pitching anyone's startup, like that
Yes. Yes.
only.
Yes.
And I
Yeah.
do good over there. I won various prizes at that time only. Then I thought that. Event management is a kind of thing that I can do well, and advertisement. That was a kind of thing for me.
Yeah.
Then and there, I started the government projects, and got it, and I did well.
Yeah. Priya,
They
thank
pay
you
you
so
for
much,
pitching?
Priya.
Yeah.
They pay you money for pitching?
Somehow I get money from the media line and all the things. We do. I got prizes as well, and in events I earn. In events I earn. And in Bihar, in I am from Bihar actually, and in Bihar entrepreneurship, I got to know various people, and I represent some of the things like a small brand. They don't give me money, but a recognition is very much important. They gave me that. And lots of things means it's not like monetary benefits. I got many much benefits from them. Hi everyone listening me.
Yeah, yeah. We are listening.
Yeah, yeah, like that only. I have just participated in many of the competitions which we held in Kolkata as well, in IIT KGP as well. From there we know each other. um uh,
Okay,
when
so
when
Priya, how can you pitch somebody else startup? Because as far as I know, only the founder can pitch his own startup.
Yeah, that is the only thing. Yeah, I only pitch my startup that time,
No, you
but
said that
yeah,
you did a job as pitching. You pitch various other startups as
yeah, advertisement.
well.
I did advertisements. Yeah, in various seminars and all the things. Yeah, we did.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Can I talk to Priya?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
yeah.
Actually, Priya, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much that you know so many things about Gigai. And in future, yeah, I'm sure that maybe we will work together to advertisement. I like your speech. And yeah, even I'm not sure about my speech, but yeah, you speak very well. Yeah. And now actually I'm preparing the pitch, that how should be a pitch. And in later we will discuss about this little bit. But yeah, you speak very well. Ansu, are you there?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
would you
there.
like to say something? Yeah.
I would recommend that I start after 10 or 12 minutes. I think that will be better if I be in a network coverage area. Okay. So
Okay.
till then,
Yeah.
you all can discuss.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that like I
So
just
Adit,
pitched for you in the, because I learned in the
yeah.
that video which the host shows host has shown that any
Yeah.
technical person is needed. Any technical person was needed, means like Rahul, the guy from IIT, was needed in Swiggy,
Okay.
aggregated company,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
there you needed. I heard about your startup. I think anyone, I think anyone was not there from today only. I heard about the startup, and I think you are lacking behind the advertisement. I guess so. And all the things you
Yeah,
had made,
definitely.
you are a good technical person, but I'm not good at technical activities, and I'm not good at all at any technical things all, because I have done MBA and all. So I'm good at that. So anyone should, we are here to collaborate, and as in say that we are here for networking, right? And you are
Yeah,
also
yeah,
doing,
right.
yeah, you are also doing well, and
Yeah,
it's for you. Yeah,
thank you so much.
we were discussing
Yeah, actually,
yeah,
Priya,
we were
Priya,
discussing
from
about
which college you did your MBA?
it's
Priya,
from
actually, from
Patna
which college
University.
you did your? Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So
Patna
you are,
University.
yeah, yeah. In Bihar, from which
Basically from
district you
Patna.
are actually?
Patna,
Hello.
Patna.
Okay, Patna.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a great
yeah,
city, you know.
yeah, yeah. I know, I know.
Priya, in
Okay.
Bihar, do they promote
Yeah.
entrepreneurship? Is entrepreneurship popular in Bihar? The concept of entrepreneurship.
Yeah. It's now popular. But at the time we were new in 2017. Means like there were only few people there were, means here there are entrepreneurship things also, means like they are doing well, but women are very lacking behind, because we did our seminars and all, the young entrepreneurship summits and all. Very much things are growing up from 2017. Now it's good, but not to tell that women are participating, but they are participating, because here there are various government efforts also. Government are also putting efforts, and I have also participated in entrepreneurship summit. We are doing well, but um, but supports like technical supports are not there. You
Yeah.
understand? Yeah, technical
It's a lackness.
supports are.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
Priya, I guess that day you asked me some questions, right? You asked me some question like last Friday,
Yeah.
if I remember. Did you ask me something?
Yeah. I asked that day. Yeah.
What was actually you asked me?
I didn't remember, but I asked you about. No, I didn't ask anything. Like I asked not. I
Okay.
haven't asked, but I have just given you some new words to you. Means like,
Idea.
yeah, new ideas. Yeah, I had added some points to your idea.
Yeah,
That do
exactly.
this thing.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
do this
Mm,
thing. Yeah. Yeah. I had
mm.
added. Yeah, I'm not remembering what I have added, but I have added.
No, I
So
remember
you
To
guys
actually.
start.
join the
You
startup
said,
night out also.
What?
yeah,
The startup night out on Friday. Every Friday you guys join.
Actually,
yeah,
I
I
think,
joined actually.
yeah, I joined. I have joined. It's my third day today. It's my third day today, because in this topic was the first day, and I felt something like pitching. He should work on his pitching and everything. That's why I just pitched for this.
Yeah, actually,
Um,
yeah, last 20 days I'm doing this. I'm just pitching and I'm getting the experience. How should I pitch? I'm doing work on that. Even now, I have a book and copy from like
no,
yesterday. I'm
actually, I have
writing and
done
doing
many
writing and
webinars.
doing working on it.
Yeah, I have done many, means when in
Okay.
2017 as well, here in Bihar,
Okay.
a person from abroad has came and just taught us to how to do the things in 2 minutes. We have a contest, and I stood third position over there, and over there we learned how to specify and how to learn. I guess in offline I will DM you all the things, that how should you
So how
do
much
that.
time do they give for pitching? I mean, is there a particular time that within 2 or 3 minutes you have to complete your pitching?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, that was a competition as well. That was a competition as well. And there,
Okay.
a woman was very, very good, very good. Means she was a senior, and her startup was running very well. There, she didn't do in 2 minutes because she was showing the slides, and we have to prepare the presentations as well. And there. We prepared for 3 4 days, and the last day is paper cover up, everything happened, and we have to do in the 2 minutes only. We have to pitch
minutes.
our idea in 2 minutes, and that time my idea was so broad. I can't tell you that I was into a very
Okay. Okay.
and that time I learned how to pitch, and I stood third
So was that your, I
at that
mean,
position. And there I think we were from what?
no, but
I'm not
how
getting.
many audience were there? How many people as the audience?
There are many audience. Like here, there are big hall, means like 5,000 people, and
How many people?
everyone that five
That's
thousand
how
2,000 people are
My
there. In the, I think you're from where?
Kolkata.
I'm from Rajasthan.
You are from?
No, actually, I'm from Rajasthan, but now I'm in Kolkata. I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay, okay. Here there are.
Rajasthan.
Yeah, here there are some of the
Yeah.
sabhagas and all. Here we do pitching and all. And that competition, that like
Okay.
competition was there, and
Okay.
that time I thought, and in the Vishal in IIT KGP as well. That
Yeah.
time I was into waste management, everything. I thought I can do well, but that project was like award winning. That project was like award winning, but the implementation was
Okay.
very hard. Means like
Okay.
everywhere in 2017, 18, 19, I got
Okay.
prizes, everything, but for the implementation part, I was lacking behind. I do
Yeah.
plantations and all, and that was also
Okay.
going into the events. I learned the events, not starting to
Okay. Great.
the startup. Yeah,
Yeah.
then I started my media thing also, but there the partner cheated me, and because then after I started doing something
Okay.
else. Yeah, and I
Hello.
began into this
Yeah.
only. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What kind of media that was actually?
It was a starting phase only. It was just providing media like advertisement things only, and media line. It was like kind of YouTube channel as well. We started, means we have to
Okay. Yeah.
started, but due to I actually did I actually paid various money to them
Okay.
also. From my
Okay.
side, it was very tough for me, and due to the money crunch as well, it got started.
Okay.
I'm actually actually starting many things, and I have, means in my so initial age, I have started many of the things, but I'm just closing up
Okay.
the things. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Priya, I would like to say
What?
something.
Okay, in
There's
there,
nothing to worry actually. It happened.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
we
Am I
yeah.
wanted
audible?
to. Yeah, sure, Siggy.
Yeah. Priya, I would like
Hello.
to say something
What
that,
actually
yeah. Hello.
they-
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you
Wait,
can
wait, wait.
get me
I'm
whenever you
not
want.
able to
I'm
hear
in
you.
network area.
Preeti, we are not
Okay. Okay.
audible.
You're
Yeah.
not audible. Okay, in there, my question to you is, do you feel afraid
Hello.
of speaking in front
Yeah.
of public? I mean, during pitching, there are so many
Afraid.
people.
Like I'm feeling hesitation in front of public.
No, no, during pitching,
Yeah.
I'm
No,
talking about
actually,
during
I'm
pitching,
not
during in
like,
front of 2,000 people.
yeah.
It's not like that.
Okay.
Actually, it's not like that. Why he wanted? He is a good guy of actually technical guy. Why he wanted that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Even I would like to answer Aritro. The thing is, I have no, like, not kind of that I have a lack of confidence and all that, but I don't know actually how to pitch and what things I need to pitch. I'm like, that is a different department, like anchoring and pitching. We should prepare for this because there are so many things that how we are pitching actually. Slowly, we have to cover. And what actually we do, we like we just like emotionally, we just like getting too much energized, and then we like getting slower. So like what I did in yesterday, like last startup night, I just were highly energized. But I don't know how to like pitch that. I should be like start very in a slow motion. I just simply I should give the little bit of introduction. Then people were asked me like constant question me, and then I should answer them. So definitely my project was where it's very clear to everyone that what is actually learning machine. But I tried to explain in very detail, so I were not even able to explain clearly. So this
Hello.
is the thing. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
I would like to add up on there's
Yeah,
something
sure. Yeah,
that
Sure.
sure.
I feel whenever a person requires to pitch in a business or in any startup, he must know presentation skills, and he must know how the people are. They should like what will they react on his word. So what happened in the first night, like the first startup night when he was explaining about his startup, the thing was he was giving he was allowing to question to everyone. Okay, so he must be arranging all the speeches and all the points. It's so good that people won't have any question in their mind. So I feel so a presentation skill should be there whenever a person is pitching in a business.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yeah, I understand that, and it started a new topic actually because is it necessary that everyone should be good in everything in a
No,
No,
it's
startup?
not
actually, I'm
actually
Because,
necessary. Yeah,
No, no,
it's
no.
not
not
necessary.
necessary. It's not
yeah, yeah,
necessary. Actually, we
yeah,
need to
ma'am,
learn now
Anju,
because I
yeah,
am
ma'am,
saying that if someone is not good, he must learn what is wrong and what is right, and it can only
yeah,
be done when someone is actually giving negative comments or positive comments, whatever they are giving, they need to consume it, then only they will become better, right?
yes,
If,
ma'am.
yeah, so I told the same thing, that what was the fault in his first startup night, like what Inder did in the first startup night, he already know, but I just explained him in detail.
Yeah, I just want to add one thing that it's not necessary that everyone should do everything. Like we,
Exactly.
yeah, I
Yeah.
have seen many of the startups which were running with us only, and because of this thing only that they don't want to pitch. It is not done. I means it is not going on, and we are
Yeah.
now means like we are now grown up. I'm not at the college stage now. Okay,
Yeah.
and that time I made my startup. I wanted to because there was a competition there. We have to pitch only, like in front
Yeah.
of people. We have to sell, we have to market, and we know how to market everything.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah,
I'm totally
why
agree
Okay,
with you.
we
guys, one thing, guys, I guess we are running out of time. It's already 10:52. So I guess it would be better if we continue it tomorrow.
okay, okay, it's okay. Okay,
Okay,
but it
Aritro,
was a
you
night.
know,
It was a
yeah,
good night out.
definitely. Yeah. Aritro, but we shouldn't like little bit discussion on Swiggy. We should at least do little bit if you have time. What do you say?
No, no, actually, we don't have time. Actually, 10:45 is the uh, actually at 10:45 I am supposed
Deadline.
to end this meeting. So it's already 10:52. That's
Okay,
why I'm
okay.
saying it would be better if we continue it tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
And
yes,
Priya,
that will be better.
yeah, okay. Okay. Okay
So good
then.
night,
And
everyone.
I would like
Yeah.
that you introduce my point, like what am I doing in your startup? Just compare, like, and this with that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So
Anshu,
from
what did she say? Can you repeat?
I said in there to introduce me, what am I doing, like what is my post in his startup. so that
Yeah.
people get to know more.
Actually, she is
You both
the
are doing from means you Anshu, you know Inder.
Yes, yes, I know him.
Okay, you are in.
yeah, actually, I would like to share with you that Ansu is COO. I don't know the full form, but it means he actually who are our future employees. He will like
Actually,
how to
he's a
motivate and how to work in
I think
marketing team, what
operating
to do.
officer.
Yeah, like
Chief operating officer.
Chief
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
operating
actually, like there were so actually we have seen that in our startup there is 3-4 different department like finance, IT department, and marketing department, and our manufacturing unit, and our content unit. So all the units actually see know in after me, if anyone in know that much have knowledge about my startup, she is actually Ansu. So after me, so for that actually he is experienced in this, so he has in this post, and we working together actually.
Nice to know that. Nice to know that. And how many team members are there?
Now we two only. Now we only
Okay.
two, and maybe you going to third. Welcome to Gigai, because I just thought
Yeah.
that yeah, you are yeah, like you are
Sure.
also like us, that you have done so many projects and you get some failure, you get some experience. So now you are good enough to market for this, so we will plan for this. Now I'm pitching from I'm preparing for pitching from my side, so that I can actually explain you what is this. After that you do whatever and however you want to do, we will do
You should. You should.
yeah, I'll talk Ansu after this meeting with Ansu.
Okay,
These
okay.
are the
Okay.
That
So
things.
will
we'll
be
catch up
fun.
tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay.
so Arithro, yeah, so Arithro, according to Arithro, we should leave now today. We will
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
Thank you for
we will
joining.
be again
Yeah.
here tomorrow. Yeah,
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
Arithro.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
everyone.
Good night.
Good night.